How's it going, guys? This is John Timothy Gallardo, and today I will perform experiment number 3 about the exclusive OR and the exclusive NOR gates. This experiment will enable us to familiarize the basic operations and applications of two-input exclusive NOR and exclusive OR gate. Here are the materials needed for our experiment.
Now let's create the circuit.
Now here's our XOR gate circuit. Now let's test. If all input is 0, the output becomes 0. If A input is 0 and the B input is 1, the output becomes 1. If A input is 1 and the B input is 0, the output is also 1. Now, if all input is 1, the output becomes 0. As we can observe, the output will become 1 if at least one input is connected to 1 and the other is 0.
Now let's create the circuit.
Now here's our XOR gate circuit. Now let's test. If all input is 0, the output is 1. If A input is 0 and the B input is 1, the output becomes 0. If A input is 1 and the B input is 0, the output is also 0. Now, if all input is 1, the output becomes 1.
Now let's create the circuit.
Now here's our single direction DC motor control circuit. Now let's test. If all input is 0, the output is 0. If the B input is 1 and the A input is 0, the output is 1. The A input is 1 and the B input is 0, the output is 1. If all input is 1, the output is 0. As we can observe, whenever one input is 0 and the other is 1, the output will be 1.
Now let's create the circuit.
Now we have our half adder circuit. Now let's test. If all input is 0, both S and C outputs are 0. Now, if A input is 0 and the B input is 1, the S output is 1 and the C output is 0. Now, if A input is 1 and the B input is 0, the S output is still 1 and the C output is still 0. Now, if all input is 1, the S output becomes 0 and the C output becomes 1. Based on the result, whenever one input is 0 and the other is 1, the S output will become 1. And if all input is 1, it's the only time that the C input will become 1. That concludes experiment number 3. So what you guys think about the exclusive OR and exclusive NOR gates? Let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. See you guys next time. Goodbye!